Good morning, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. It is 14th of November. We've been following silver quite closely this week as one of our commodity reports, and we retested the October low at 2050. This also coincides with this trend line that you can see here that goes back to the beginning of September. And we're getting very oversold on the daily chart. Well, we have been through most of November, in fact. So there's a chance of this being a nice little double bottom here, and we can start to build a recovery into the end of the week and into next week, in fact. This looks to me like the most likely scenario. We'll have a look at the shorter term chart now just to see what will happen if that scenario does play out. So we've got some resistance around 2080, 2090. That's been holding this this bounce so far. That was our first target for yesterday, and it was hit. If we can just get through this trend line, which is around 2090, 95 area, we'll go on to 2105. But what we're really looking for is a move up to this sort of 2120 to 2125 area. That would be a realistic target for a bounce. At the moment, it's just a bounce in a bear trend to relieve some oversold oscillators. This stochastic on the 4-hour chart's also very oversold, and also the MACD is just turning positive. So there is a good chance that this scenario does play out, that we do go higher, and we maybe get as far as 2120 or 2125. We'll just go back to the daily chart. If this doesn't work out and we do break below the 2050 area, I think any longs really need to stop below 2040. We should be looking at this sort of area where these two trend lines intersect, which is around the 2025 area. So if we start breaking below 2050, 2040, we're going to see 2025, I think. We can hope for a bounce from here. We can hope for a low for the week around here, being so oversold. We are looking for reasons to buy it, and I think this would be the next one. So that's the level to watch on the downside for today. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.